What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube with a free simple tool that most successful YouTubers use, including myself. So let's get right into it. Okay, so in order to get more views on YouTube, the key is to rank your videos high enough so people actually see it, and to get it suggested with other videos. And to do this, you need to find specific keywords that are good and easy to rank for, especially when you're starting out. So to do exactly that, you need to click on the link below and download a free tool called TubeBuddy. You may or may not heard about it before, but it takes this website here, and here's a list of all of the features that you get with the tool. Most of these are free, some of them you have to pay for, but the best ones are free anyway, and I'm about to demonstrate how that works. Okay, so once you've signed up for TubeBuddy and you've downloaded the Google Chrome extension, there's one tool you're going to be using the most, and that's called the Keyword Explorer tool. We can access this by clicking on this little hotkey here and clicking on Keyword Explorer. Now, this tool is one of the most important tools, if not the most important tool, and that's because it tells you what keywords are good to rank for and what keywords are bad to rank for, and it does this very simply by giving you a score out of 100. So for example, if I want to make a video on how to update Windows 10, we're going to type that keyword in here and it's going to give our score. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, as you can see, I've just typed in the keyword and it's given me an overall score of 12 out of 100, which is actually really bad. Now, this is because of three reasons: search volume, competition, and optimization strength. If you go to the score analysis, it tells me why. So our search volume is actually really high, so a lot of people are searching for this keyword, which is really good. But because the competition is actually even higher, it's probably not even worth targeting. We won't even stand a chance of ranking our video on this keyword. And our optimization strength is really good, and this basically means how other people are optimizing their videos to rank for the top spot. And because people aren't doing that, we're going to get a bit more of a chance of ranking this video, but because our competition is so high, it won't even be worth it. Okay, so I still do want to make a video on how to update Windows 10, but this keyword won't work. So that means I've got to try something else, something a bit more specific, which I'm more likely to rank for. So as you can see on the side here where it says video searches, these are sort of related searches that people are actually searching, and it's not just computer generated. So for example, if I'm on Windows 10, I could type in how to update Windows 10 Pro. We'll see how that one does, and as you can see, it's gone up a little bit more, 33 out of 100. As you can see below, here's our score analysis. So our search volume is still really good, it's still in high. Our competition is still quite high. It's not quite as high as what it was before, it's a bit lower. And our optimization strength is very low as well. So personally, as a small channel, it probably wouldn't be worth ranking this keyword either. But if you're quite established and you are quite a large channel, and then it might actually be worth taking the risk. There are other useful features to the Keyword Explorer tool. For example, you don't only get video searches, but you get web searches, which is what people are searching on the internet, for example Google and Bing, not just YouTube. Video topics are basically what's related to this keyword, but this works more with vague keywords, so that's why it's not showing any right now. You can also see the search results, so you can see what thumbnails people have, how they're titling the videos, and what's ranking and what isn't. And there's also other tabs like trending, historical, which gives you Google graphs of how popular that keyword is over time. Now you'll also see there is a weighted and unweighted section. Now if you click on this icon, it basically tells you what they mean. But with the weighted, it's more specific to your channel, so results can be a bit more accurate depending on how well your channel is doing. So again, this requires a pro license, which if you've got under 1,000 subscribers, you can get for only $4.50 a month. Not only that, but the Keyword Explorer tool also works with normal search results. So as you can see, I've just typed it into YouTube here, just like a normal search result, and it comes up at the side here, so that's quite useful as well. So again, just click on the link in the description and it will take you right to the TubeBuddy website. If you are a bit concerned about pricing, all you need to do is click on this tab here, and it tells you what kind of licenses to do and what kind of tools are offered within them licenses. Now if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can click on this box, and it brings the pro license down from $9 to $450 a month, which is a massive bargain for saying how many tools you actually get. If you scroll all the way down, they actually show you what you get with these licenses, and as you can see, it is actually quite a lot. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, good luck with your YouTube career and have a good day.